this is a child who was writing about Clover and was having a hard time with it. This child did not know Power and Tide yet. So let's look at this writing and think about how we would score it with the Rockets and what feedback we might give this writer to help this writer improve, because everybody gets better with a little feedback. All right, so can you hold up your 4 colors? Okay, awesome. All right. Lucas and Nicole, it's helpful if you keep the camera on if you can, so that I can see. Thank you, Evan, for keeping yours on. This way I don't go too fast and I can see right where you are. Awesome. Okay, Nicole, do you have colors? If not, that's fine. You can grab items. Okay, this first sentence, what color? What we're going to do is we're going to see, did this piece really answer the prompt? So the prompt was, describe the character traits of Clover. Does anybody remember what we use when we try to turn the prompt around, when we try to figure out what the prompt is asking us? Does anybody remember that trick we use to try and figure out what the prompt is asking? It's called do. Lucas, do you remember it? No? Okay, it's called do what. So everybody please write do what. And the do is the verb. It's what is the prompt asking me to do? So what is this prompt asking me to do? Nicole, any guess? What is this prompt asking me to do? What's the verb? What's the verb?
Describing the character traits of Clover.
Perfect, you got it. So it's describe, and what are we describing? The character, I'm just gonna put C-H-A-R, traits, and Clover, because I don't have to write everything. So it's just describe the character traits of Clover. Okay, let's read this now and see if it describes the character traits of Clover. Okay, so here are the parts. Let's look for the parts of Tide. Do we have a topic introduction? Is this a topic introduction? Is it talking about Clover's traits? Is it saying Clover has many traits? Or is that a fact? Would you say that that's a green topic introduction that turns the prompt around and uses these words or synonyms? Or would you say that this is our first fact? It's a fact, absolutely. So we're going to make this yellow. Next, Clover sat on the fence and played with Annie. Is that a fact? Was that in the story? Yeah, it was. Okay, so if we were going to revise this up, how would we make it better? What is this child missing? Scarlett?
A topic, sentence, and an ending.
Absolutely, a topic sentence. So if we were going to make it better, what kind of a topic sentence could we add? Can you all jot down a topic sentence, and then you'll have a chance to go into breakout rooms and share your topic sentence. So go ahead and write down, what would a good topic sentence be? Okay, everybody writing down your topic sentences? Great. Okay, I'm gonna move it along actually, because I wanna get us to the next piece too. But one topic sentence that I could see somebody writing was Clover has important character traits that make her life fun. Okay, so that's a global statement. That could be one way that we could fix this up. Now, let's tap in and read it silently and see if there are any mistakes. See if there's anything missing that really probably should be there. I'm going to make this a little bit larger so that you all can see. But what do you see that should be fixed? Go ahead and put your hands over your ears and just tap in and read this in your own mind and tell me what it's missing. Did anybody find a mistake? How many of you noticed that Clover was not capitalized when you did that? Can I see your hands? Yes, many of you noticed that. Excellent. So that's called tap in. That's something that we can do. How would you repair this? Or sorry, we already did that. What goal would you set for this writer? How could this writer make a stronger piece next time this writer writes? What could this writer do better? Can you all write a goal in your notebook and then just hold up your book when you've got a goal? And your goal could be anything. More evidence, TS for topic sentence, better punctuation, an ending. Go ahead and jot down what goal you think would help this writer. Lucas, it's okay, you can keep the camera off at times, but can you put it on now for just a quick minute so that we can see your goal? Thank you. Okay, hold your goal up once you've got it. I'm gonna hold my goal up. Nice. Okay, I'm seeing some good goals come. I normally start at the top of Tide and I work down Tide with my goals. So I think that this beautiful topic sentence that Scarlett shared would make a really nice goal for this child, for next time this child writes. Okay, so be sure to include a topic sentence. Okay,